Hey, tech-savvy viewers! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and tech insights. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless connectivity with the TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter. It's time to unlock lightning-fast speeds and seamless network performance. I'm your host, and let's get right into it. We'll kick things off with an unboxing of the TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter. We'll explore what comes inside the package and share our first impressions regarding its design and build quality. Now, let's talk about Wi-Fi 6 technology and why it's a game-changer. We'll explain how this adapter offers faster speeds with reduced network congestion, making it perfect for gaming, downloading, streaming, and more. The TP-Link AX1800 doesn't stop at Wi-Fi 6. It also features dual-band connectivity, offering both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. We'll dive into the speeds you can expect from each band, ensuring you have flexible connectivity options. This adapter is all about signal strength and quality. With dual high-gain antennas and beamforming technology, it ensures improved range and transmission performance. We'll show you how this translates to a seamless Wi-Fi experience. Do you know why USB 3.0 is crucial for this adapter? We'll explain how it pairs perfectly with the 802.11 AX Wi-Fi protocol, utilizing its transfer rate for better connections. Get ready for optimized network performance. The TP-Link AX1800 offers a unique feature, an adjustable, multi-directional antenna. We'll show you how to rotate and adjust it for the best reception in various environments. Plus, its flexible design and easy setup make it a breeze to get started. Before you make your decision, it's essential to know which systems are supported. We'll share the compatible operating systems and some crucial setup tips, including using a USB 3.0 port and disabling your device's internal Wi-Fi. Last but not least, TP-Link is known for its excellent customer support. We'll discuss the 24/7 technical support and the impressive 2-year warranty that comes with this product, providing you with peace of mind. There you have it, folks. The TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter. With Wi-Fi 6 technology, dual-band performance, high-gain antennas, and USB 3.0 compatibility, it's your ticket to faster, more reliable internet connectivity. If you found this review informative and helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more tech reviews and product deep dives. Got questions about this adapter or suggestions for future reviews? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, when it comes to tech, knowledge is power. Stay connected, stay informed, and keep exploring the world of technology. See you in the next review.